Good morning, guys. So, here I am taking a walk amongst nature, hearing the beautiful birds chirp, and enjoying the freshness of the morning. So, morning walks are so good, they rejuvenate you and brightens up your entire day, and it really makes you feel fresh and happy about your life. So y'all also try it, guys, once in a while. Of course, even I am lazy, I rarely go for a morning walk, but I make it a point to go regularly, if not every day. So after my morning walk, I had some work outside, so I had to step out, and it was lunchtime, so I accidentally bumped up into this place called Sumak, which is in Thane, and it was such a wonderful, amazing place. It's a small place but has really good cuisine. So they serve Turkish, Mughlai, and Indian cuisine, and the place was beautifully done. It was well lit up, and here I am having this soup, and I rarely have soup. I am so bored of having soup which is normally served, but this white bean soup was so good. It was so hearty. It was a hearty kind of a soup, and I really enjoyed it. I would suggest all of you all to have this. It was really healthy and my kind of soup. So the next dish was the main dish, the main course, that is lamb and chickpea tajin, and it was so flavorful. So this dish was really very wonderfully spiced, and it was garnished with walnut, and the meat pieces were so tender. I really appreciated it a lot, and I'm really happy that I came to this place because they serve really good food, and I'm really thankful to the chef for making such wonderful Turkish cuisine.
I just curious about today we are making the baklava with the homemade pistachio ice cream.
Right.
I just want you guys to see a little bit careful about it.
And now the chef himself came to our table to serve us the dessert, which is baklava. So they serve this in liquid nitrogen. It cools down the cream. This is whipped cream, and they cool it down, and they lay it over the baklava piece which they have on the plate there.
Thank you so much.
Of preparing this,
So this
on
is
the
the chef.
table itself makes you feel so wonderful. So this was a wonderful experience, guys, and here is my baklava looking also amazing. So baklava is nothing but pistachio and rose petals. So it has a unique flavor of its own, and I really loved having it. I would suggest y'all to order for this.
She has a YouTube channel, that's right.
And here I'm having my plastic pan. Look at this is plastic. I'm gonna eat it. So this was another unique stuff which I found only over here. I've never had this
plastic
ever
pan.
before. The plastic just melts in your mouth and it's all gone before you even know, and leaves behind all the pan flavor. So this is the rating I give for Sumak. You don't have to be in a panic mode to invite your friends or family for a lunch or dinner at your place. But I've often seen people getting really restless when they invite people for lunch or dinner because they don't have a proper plan in mind. So what does proper planning mean? It means you have to make a list of what your guest wants to eat and what you are going to buy from the grocery shop. One night before, I just do the basic preparation like boiling potatoes, chopping vegetables and certain things like that. And next day I begin with the main preparation. So that makes it really easy, and you don't have to actually wake up early in the morning and start your preparation. Without disturbing your own schedule, you can actually treat your friends and have a good time yourself too. So don't panic about cooking or anything like that anymore, and lighten up your life by inviting more guests to your house and be happy. So I've started making my Maggi kebabs. So for this I have mashed around 4 potatoes, big ones, and to this I will add Maggi. So you can even put leftover Maggi also. But right now I have prepared this Maggi freshly and I am putting it into my mashed potatoes. Now to this I will add 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and I'll mash it really well like this. So now we have mashed everything. So to this we'll quickly add some coriander leaves. We'll add juice of half a lemon and we'll bring all of it together. So we have this breadcrumbs over here. We'll make patties out of this. Roll it on the breadcrumb. And we'll keep it aside like this. So we'll look, we are done with it. So now let's do the next thing. So I'm making my salad now. So on a bed of lettuce leaves, I'll just put some cucumbers. I'm topping it with some beetroot over it like this. Now I'll add some salt. Or I'll squeeze a lemon into it. My salad is ready. So I'm making this mutia. So for that I have already made the dough. Placed it on a greased pan, and I will be placing it into my steamer and I'll let it steam for some time. If you're watching this channel and have not subscribed to me, then please subscribe immediately. So my paneer biryani is also ready, all smoky and steamy, and it was really fragrant, guys. It tasted so good, it looked so good, and even my mouth is watering even now while I'm making this video. So all these things were ready in a jiffy, and it took no time for me to prepare all this. So here is my table set with the green salad with beetroot toppings. This is the mutia which I made, some pickles, the paneer biryani, and besides it is the raita, dahi and bundi raita, and this is the bundi raita, and here is my Maggi cutlets. So it was so amazing. It all tasted really well. Hey! Hey guys, look at this. She is my friend Vandana and she is a lawyer. I don't know that she's a lawyer.
And she's my bestie.
Yes.
Yeah. And what I like the most about is her smile. This is what her smile attracted me.
Yes. And I got attracted.
No, squishes now.
Oh,
He's not like you're not in Bhavik.
We are not in
And he's say hi.
He's little chap.
Little lawyer.
He's entertaining us right now. Yeah. She liked my food.
Yeah. And super duper.
So what exactly did you do today? What did Kiran serve?
I made paneer biryani. I made chole. I made Maggi patties. I made mutia. It's the Gujarati dish, and I made raita. That's it. Nothing special.
You like everything.
Yeah, awesome. Like still, like my taste buds are saying more, but my tummy says no.
No. You cannot.
हमने अभी तो कैलकुलेटर दिया है, वो तुम्हारा कंप्यूटर बजा रहा है, वो गया like this like an old man. Confused, can believe our talent.
Lawyer. HR.
Lawyer is a different
Lawyer,
place.
HR, YouTuber. So here we are walking towards the temple because my friend wanted to visit the temple, and here we marked a beautiful end to our wonderful meeting today, and we really found it amazing to catch up after such a long time because the pandemic had actually made it difficult for us to meet each other, and meeting all the friends once again was really feeling so good and so joyful, and how valuable everybody is in our lives.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple. Simply City.